Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity and removing obvious network blockers. Check your internet and disable VPN or proxy briefly. Once done, restart Windows and open Outlook in safe mode to isolate add-ins. While that launches, note the account type, Exchange, IMAP, or Microsoft 365, and the Outlook version. This determines which diagnostics to run. Make sure to record any recent password or policy changes. These steps reduce variables quickly, so you can move into targeted repairs without guesswork. Next, repair the account settings and profile to fix corrupted configuration. In Outlook, go to File, Account Settings, and choose Repair for the affected account. Follow prompts to re-authenticate. If that fails, create a fresh profile in Control Panel Mail and add the account there. This often clears profile corruption. Also use Test Email Auto Configuration from the Outlook tray icon to verify server responses and auto-discover records. Once done, switch between profiles to confirm the new profile connects consistently. Finally, force a data resync and eliminate remaining conflicts. Close Outlook, locate the account. OST file and rename it to OST. So Outlook rebuilds the mailbox cache on restart. This clears corruption. If problems persist, disable suspect add-ins and update Office. Run an online repair from programs and features. Make sure firewall or proxy rules allow Exchange/Outlook ports like 443 and SMTP submission ports. If you still see disconnected, contact IT or ISB and provide logs. That speeds root cause resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.